If you're over 50, what you put into your body can either speed up aging or give you more energy, sharper thinking, and a longer, healthier life. Sadly, many everyday foods and drinks are quietly working against you, damaging your brain, weakening your heart, and robbing you of vitality. Today on Live Healthy Every Day, we're going to uncover the hidden dangers in your kitchen and show you smarter, healthier choices to protect your body for years to come. It's easy to assume that tap water is safe, but recent tests revealed alarming levels of perfluorooctanoic acid, a so-called forever chemical, in many water supplies. This chemical is used in non-stick cookware, waterproof fabrics, cosmetics, and cleaning agents. The problem? It doesn't break down for over 1,000 years and can accumulate in your body. For older adults, the danger is even greater because your liver and kidneys aren't as efficient at detoxifying harmful substances as they were in your 20s. Long-term exposure has been linked to cancer, liver disease, kidney problems, and even damage to brain function. Solution: invest in a high-quality water filter specifically rated to remove forever chemicals and microplastics. Zinc isn't just for immunity. It's critical for testosterone balance in both men and women, for maintaining muscle mass, and for your thymus gland. It also helps produce stomach acid so you can digest protein and absorb nutrients. But certain foods drain zinc from your body, especially refined carbohydrates like white bread, pasta, pastries, maltodextrin, and modified food starch. Without enough zinc and B1, your body ages faster. Your skin loses elasticity, your joints stiffen, and your energy fades. Even your eyes are at risk. High sugar intake can cause glycation, which leads to cataracts and accelerates wrinkling. A juicy barbecue might seem harmless, but when meat is coated in sugary sauces and cooked at high heat, it creates compounds that speed up aging. Add deep-fried donuts or fries into the mix, and you're introducing inflammatory seed oils and oxidized fats that are toxic to your cells. Over time, these foods can make your arteries less elastic, affect your mood, and slow your thinking. As you age, maintaining strong bones, thick hair, and elastic skin isn't just about calcium and collagen. Silica plays a vital role in keeping your connective tissues resilient. Without it, bones become brittle, hair thins, and skin loses its bounce. Canola, soybean, corn, sunflower, and other industrial seed oils might look harmless, but they can store in your cell membranes for over a year. This can lead to brain fog, poor memory, and mood changes. Better choices: cook with butter, olive oil, tallow, or lard, and increase your omega-3 intake from fatty fish. Highly processed soy protein isolate, often found in protein bars and meat alternatives, may contain traces of chemical solvents like hexane. The speaker shares a personal story. After accidentally eating soy-based wings, they felt sick, developed bloodshot eyes, and had to rest for hours. Low-fat diets might seem healthy, but they can rob you of vitamin K2, which helps pull calcium out of arteries and joints and place it where it belongs, in your bones. Rich sources include full-fat cheeses and goose liver. If you can't get enough through food, a quality K2 supplement can help. Deep, restorative sleep becomes harder with age, but magnesium glycinate can help relax muscles and calm the nervous system. Taken an hour before bed, especially in powder form, it can improve sleep quality and help you wake up refreshed. Older adults often cut salt to protect their hearts, but the real key is quality and balance. Use mineral-rich salts like Himalayan or sea salt, and boost potassium intake from leafy greens, avocados, and bananas. Potassium helps your body handle sodium and supports healthy stomach acid for digestion. Hidden everyday habits that accelerate aging. After 50. Many people focus only on bad foods when trying to stay healthy after 50, but the truth is that certain everyday habits can silently age your body, even if your diet is relatively clean. These habits can trigger inflammation, hormonal imbalances, and nutrient deficiencies that set the stage for chronic disease. Skipping protein in the morning. As you get older, your body's ability to maintain muscle declines, a condition called sarcopenia. If you start your day with just coffee and toast, you're missing the window to feed your muscles the amino acids they need. Low protein intake in the morning can lead to muscle loss, lower energy, and even a slower metabolism. Better choice: begin your day with at least 20-30 grams of high-quality protein from eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a clean protein shake without added sugars or artificial sweeteners. Excessive late-night eating. Your body's natural repair processes peak during sleep. Heavy carb-heavy dinners, especially late at night, spike blood sugar and insulin, reducing deep sleep quality and increasing fat storage. Chronically high nighttime insulin can also worsen brain inflammation, linked to memory decline. Tip: finish your last meal at least 3 hours before bed and focus on lean protein, vegetables, and healthy fats to stabilize blood sugar overnight. Ignoring strength training. Cardio has its benefits, but strength training is what truly preserves mobility and independence after 50. Without resistance exercises, bones weaken, balance declines, and fat replaces muscle. Even 20 minutes, 2 to 3 times a week, can significantly improve bone density, metabolic health, and posture. Bodyweight moves, resistance bands, or light dumbbells are all effective and safer for joints than high-impact workouts, relying on diet products. Many low-fat, sugar-free, or diet foods are filled with artificial sweeteners, hydrogenated oils, and synthetic additives. These can disrupt gut bacteria, raise insulin unexpectedly, and even increase sugar cravings over time. Better option: choose real whole foods with minimal processing. A full-fat plain yogurt is far healthier than a low-fat, artificially sweetened version. Overconsumption of caffeine. Caffeine sensitivity increases with age because the liver metabolizes it more slowly. While moderate coffee intake can be beneficial, excessive caffeine raises cortisol, disrupts sleep, and can deplete magnesium, the very mineral that supports relaxation and heart health. Tip: keep coffee to 1-2 cups before noon and explore herbal teas or decaf for the rest of the day. Neglecting hydration balance. It's not just about drinking more water, it's about balanced hydration. If you're drinking liters of plain water without replenishing electrolytes, you may dilute sodium and potassium levels, leading to fatigue, headaches, or muscle cramps. Adding a pinch of mineral-rich salt or drinking electrolyte-infused water can help maintain energy and nerve function. Chronic low-grade stress. Daily stress might feel normal, but chronic activation of the stress hormone cortisol accelerates aging, especially in the brain and cardiovascular system. It increases belly fat storage, raises blood pressure, and impairs immune function. Incorporating breathing exercises, short walks, or even 10 minutes of quiet stretching can dramatically lower cortisol. Neglecting gut health. Your gut directly influences immune function, hormone balance, and even mood regulation. Diets high in processed foods, alcohol, and low in fiber weaken the gut microbiome. Prioritize fermented foods like kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and plenty of diverse plant fibers to maintain a robust gut environment. Avoiding these daily habits, while combining them with the dietary upgrades from the first part of this video, can slow the clock on aging, protect brain function, and keep your body feeling decades younger. Nutrient synergy and smart food pairing for over 50 health. Eating the right nutrients is important, but the way you combine foods can make the difference between absorbing life-giving vitamins or flushing them away unused. Over 50, digestion changes and you need to be more strategic. Pairing fat-soluble vitamins with healthy fats. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are fat-soluble, meaning your body can't absorb them well without dietary fat. If you're eating carrots for beta-carotene or leafy greens for vitamin K, add olive oil, avocado, or nuts to boost absorption. Iron and vitamin C, the energy combo. Plant-based iron from spinach, beans, or lentils is harder to absorb than the heme iron from animal foods. But pairing it with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers or citrus dramatically improves absorption. This helps prevent iron deficiency anemia, which is more common as stomach acid levels drop with age. Avoiding calcium blockers. Calcium is crucial for bones, but coffee, excessive tea, and high oxalate foods like spinach can limit absorption if consumed in large amounts with calcium-rich meals. Space them out by a couple of hours for better results. Timing magnesium intake for better sleep and recovery. Since magnesium helps relax muscles and regulate sleep, taking it in the evening, ideally alongside a balanced dinner, can support deep rest. Pairing it with foods rich in vitamin B6 like turkey or bananas can further enhance its calming effect. Using herbs and spices as anti-inflammatory boosters. Turmeric, ginger, rosemary, and cinnamon not only add flavor but actively reduce inflammation markers in the body, For best effect, combine turmeric with black pepper to improve curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Mindful eating for digestive efficiency. Chewing thoroughly and eating slowly gives enzymes in your saliva time to break down food before it reaches the stomach. A big help for those with reduced stomach acid. This small change can improve nutrient uptake dramatically. The role of probiotics and prebiotics together. Probiotics. Good bacteria from yogurt or fermented foods work best when fed with prebiotics, fibers from foods like onions, garlic, leeks, and asparagus. This synergy helps maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which influences everything from immunity to mood. Understanding anti-nutrient foods. Some foods contain compounds like phytates or lectins that can bind to minerals and reduce absorption. Soaking, sprouting, or cooking beans, legumes, and certain grains can significantly reduce these compounds, making minerals like zinc and magnesium more available. By combining foods intentionally, you're not just eating healthy, you're making sure your body actually uses the nutrients you give it. This is a crucial step in protecting bone strength, immune resilience, and energy as you age. If you've been finding these tips valuable, now's the perfect time to keep the conversation going. Share your own over 50 health strategies in the comments, subscribe to Live Healthy Every Day for more life-changing insights, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the next video that could help you live stronger, longer, and happier.